Instagram is taking another stab at Snapchat with a new feature called Instants. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Instants is coming to main Instagram app as well as in a new dedicated app, which is also called Instants. The idea here is to snap and share photos spontaneously, and these photos will disappear after your friends see them. Your friends can react and reply to these images, and they'll stay in your archive for up to a year so you can share them as stories later by compiling them as a recap. You can access Instants as the main Instagram app from your DM by tapping on the photo stack in the bottom right corner. But there are no editing tools or filters here. The only way you can modify Instants is by adding a caption. Plus, can't upload photos from your camera roll either. You can choose who you want to share one of these photos with and then send them. There's an undo button that gives you a moment to change your mind and remove an instant before your friends see it. When it comes to your friends' instance, you can snooze them by holding the icon in your inbox and swapping right. Swipe the other way to start seeing them again. The dedicated Instants apps is under testing in certain countries on iOS and Android. The Instants feature and app also use all of Instagram's normal safety and privacy protections, including blocking and muting other users. Parental supervisions for teen accounts on Instagram will automatically be applied to Instants as well. A parent of a teen with a supervised account will also get a notification when their kid downloads the Instants app. It's not the first time that Instagram has mimicked Snapchat, which it has done with stories before. Now it looks like Instagram's copying snaps as well. What's next? Streaks? Only time will tell. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.